You're welcome. In this video, let us understand how to make police case filing system. So it's a web application project using ASP.NET with C# language and backend as a SQL Server. So this video will be very useful for computer science student who wish to do a project as per their curriculum. It may be a mini project or a major project or web application project. So you have a choice so if you understand the whole concept, then it will be very easy for you to make the project. So here we covering police file case system. So how one can file the case and how it will take place, then how the police station will handle the case, how they can monitor and then register. So all has to be entered and then they have to be monitored. So here we'll show you how we can do this step by step. Now let us look at the project details. What are the idea, what are the things we can cover in this? That is what very important. So let us discuss what are the modules are required, and in each module what are the options are required. So that we'll discuss in this. So in order to file the case, let's say people are user. So let's say there is a user. So there may be a problem. So you can file the case online. So before file the case, he can sign up. He can log in. So then probably you need to provide a one page for him. So therefore there is a main page. So there in the main page you need to provide all the options. So here concept called the file case. Once you file the case, then it should come to the station, corresponding station. Therefore this is the station module. So an employee can log in here. So therefore in a station employee can log in. So they can log in. After login, they can go to main page again, so they can able to view the cases. Then steps has to be taken. So in order to manage everything, there is a one more module called as the admin module. So in the admin module, I'll show you what are the options we required. So therefore, so in this three main modules, one is admin module, station module, and the user module. Three modules. In each module, so we'll have at least 5 to 10 options. Here also 5 to 10 options, and then here also 5 to 10 options. So we're talking about ASP.NET here, but still you can do this project in JSP, PHP, Python. So the options are very much open. You can make an Android app. So but you should know what all the things you need to add in that. So once we know that, so then it is very easy to add all these options to the project. Now let's look at the admin. So in the admin we can have area names corresponding list, station details corresponding list, employee details corresponding list, case type corresponding list, vehicle fine corresponding list, all case list, then reply for case what are the reply is done, that is, then all user list. So admin can be able to monitor everything and he can enter the main details here. So now we go to the station. So in the station they can able to view the cases, then they can take the action based on that. They can send the message to the user, they can view the message again if the user send the message to them. There are criminals entry and vehicle fine entry, all this can be done via station. Next one is a user. User can file the case or register the case, and what are the cases registered, that list will come here. What action taken, so that once is taken in the station, that list will come here. So here is a send message and then view message, and here is a criminals list and the vehicle fine list. So this is the one user can able to view it. So if you require any projects, please contact us. Now let us look at the demo. So if you're not yet subscribed to our channel, please subscribe, so we'll bring more videos. Also we will bring you interview questions in order to get the job, what are the things you need to learn. Lot of things we bring in our channel. So subscribe, and also you can right click on this iPlex tutorials and browse the videos here. So definitely one of the other video will be helpful for you. So here you can see on clicking videos, you can see that all the videos are there here. So we have so many projects, so therefore if you're looking for a different projects, you can search what project is suitable for you and choose them. Then you can also learn how to make DFT, AI diagram, then VB.NET Viva questions and general questions. Then you can also design website. So a lot of things are there. Please, when you have time, browse all the videos and then check it out. Okay, so here we have Visual Studio. Fine. So we already opened the project. This is a Solution Explorer. On the other side we have Server Explorer. If you expand Server Explorer, data connections, and if you expand tables, so then you can able to see all the tables. A server explorer as an embedded SQL server here. The interface is available here only, so therefore you don't need to go to another software to watch that. You can view everything here only. If you want to see the data, you have to right click on this and then you have to click show table data. Right, so you want to case details, so show table data. Message. So like that we can able to see all the data here. Any changes or any column name or data types, you can also make the changes here. So here is the column names and this is the corresponding data type. Fine. Now let's run the project and see that how whole concept works. So here are the options. So this is admin login, station login, user login. First we'll go to the admin login here. So we can log in with admin. Fine. S is the area names. What are the areas covered? So that we need to enter in the area names. For example, let's say we go to list. There is nothing. Okay. So therefore we go to area names. Let's say Vijayanagar. So in Vijayanagar, what are the areas that will covers that you need to enter here? Vijayanagar, MP Nagar. So you can write down all the areas here. Now if you go to list, you can able to see the list. Even if you go and check the database now, so here is area names. Right, so right click and show table data. So what are the entries are done? So it will comes to table. Next is the station detail. So this is a Vijayanagar police station. So it's here. So more details you can enter here. Then employees, overall the employees working. So that is there here. And you want to enter more employee details, so that you need to enter here. And here you have to link to the which station they belongs to. Case type. Vehicle theft, one type is registered, so you want to make different types, you can enter here case type details. So vehicle fine, so if you collect the vehicle fine, for what we collect, okay, so that is the type here and the corresponding amount. Then all case list, if some customer file the case or user file the case, that we can see it here. Case reply, if the station people are send the reply, so that details will come over here. So this is a user list, all the user list will be available here. Now what you can do is we can copy the main address. We'll take to one more tab, enter, and here you can go to user login. So login as a user, and now you can see that you can file the case here, register a case. So this is the station and this is the problem. So subject, case my vehicle Honda Activa, bearing number K05M000. Right, so when is stolen, so that you can write 5th March 2021. Place. So details, so that you can write bearing number is stolen, and all you write the complete details here. So you can save this. So now you can see that the case is registered. So you can see that vehicle. This is there. Then action taken. So here action taken means when the police taken actions, so that list will come here. Now there are no actions. So what you can do is we can copy the main address and then we'll take to one more tab and enter again. Now you need to log in as a station people. So here is the employee code and you need to type the corresponding password. They can log in. View cases. Right, so there is a case here. So auction taken, we are searching for it. Fun. If you come back and then you can see that auction taken, so that is will come over here like. So now assume that your vehicle is found, then what you can, so you can take the case number. So your vehicle is recovered. Please come to the station with all the proof. Fine. So now they'll update this. So now the user will get the information. So if I refresh this, so now you can see that your vehicle is, so everything is done online, so you can communicate with the user here. So apart from this, you can enter criminal details, any criminals in your area, and also if there is a vehicle fine collected, that is also we can collect from them. Fine. So on this side again you can enter the vehicle fine here. So if any vehicle violate the rules, so let's say K05 M111, so many times it will have violations. So even you can check this here, fine entry list. So all the vehicle list will come, so for all the users can able to see which of the vehicles are violated. Fine. So these are the options which are provided in 3 modules. One is admin, station and the user module. So hope you understand the concept. Based on that you can rework, remodify, add up more options. You can always do so many things. So check out the possibilities, and again when you have free time, so please come back to our channel and then keep check for other videos too. So therefore whichever you feel like this is a good project, you can always choose that and then you can make it across. So subscribe and also suggest to your friends for this. Thank you very much.